Mhm. Hi, everyone, and welcome to the GDSC Info Session 2023/24. And my name is Vaidehi Kore. I am one of the co-leads for this year. I've been a student at the University of Debrecen since 2020, and I'm studying computer science engineering. I'm in my final year, and I'm also an intern at Nokia. Next, please.
Okay, my name is Hani. I'm an Egyptian student currently studying computer science bachelor's at the University of Debrecen. I'm in my final year and I currently work as a Java full stack software engineer at MSCI. This year I'll be performing as the co-lead of this GDSC uh, branch, and I'll be with you today for the info session. Okay, in this info session today, we're going to discuss a few points. These points include what exactly is GDSC, um, how is GDSC different from other clubs or student activities, what were our previous events, what are the upcoming events that we are planning, and what is the benefit of joining GDSC, and how can you join us? And finally, we're going to end this info session with a quiz game. So let's go. First, what are GDSCs? GDSC stands for Google Developer Student Clubs, and they are basically university-based community groups. So in these clubs, students learn about Google developer technologies and how they can use them in their professional life, how they can grow their skills using these technologies. GDSC Club is open for everyone, and we encourage more students to join us in order to learn new skills, grow their network through connecting with other like-minded developers or other developers through the Google network, and be a part in our projects and future events. Okay, in GDSC we have three main goals. The first one is to connect. So this goal is basically we aim to meet with like-minded developers or students that have overlapped interests in some Google technologies. So basically, everyone is welcomed. Uh, Whatever your background is, wherever you come from, you are always welcome in a GDSC club. The second goal is to learn. We aim to learn about a range of technical topics and try and improve and gain new skills through our practical workshops that we organize, through our events, through our talks, where we partnership with maybe uh, other talkers uh, through Google Network or other developers that might give speeches. We also work on building projects and such activities that can be carried out both online and in person. The last and the most important uh, aim is to grow. So basically, we involve in all of these activities in order to find solutions for problems and advance our skills, career, and build a good network and give back to the community by basically uh, doing the same and help the others learn the things that we gain. Okay, about GDSC University of Debrecen. It's the official chapter of Google Developer Student Club for the university. Our club aims to create a learning environment through hands-on workshops that we organize to build real solutions for real problems. It's not just about programming, it's about teamwork and leadership, which we learn through our hands-on workshops and other events.
Mhm. It's still okay. Yeah. So, how is GDSC different from other clubs? GDSC is supported by Google developers, and we are connected to all the GDSC clubs around the world. And we are more project oriented. We would provide you with more platforms to attend Google exclusive events like the Solution Challenge and some cloud campaigns and some hands on workshops. Could you go next? Yeah. So in previous years, we had events such as coding competitions, a how to build your career session, the solution challenge, the EU Ideathon, and some more I will go into detail in the coming slides. So back in April, we held a coding competition in collaboration with GDG Budapest, GDSCs from Hungary, and other organizations. A problem set was created, and all participating groups had about 3 hours to develop a solution for this. As this event was held in Budapest, GDSC Unideb joined virtually, and our event was held in the informatics campus. GDSC Unideb also had one of the winning teams. Next slide, please. In our How to Build Your Career session, which was super insightful, we had two guest speakers. First, a lead software engineer from EPAM who shared his whole career journey with us, who gave us great tips on how to build a mindset and successful career in the field of tech with some experiences from his own professional career. We also had one of our core team members speak to us about their career path so far, how to build a foundation, and how they overcame obstacles as a student. Next, please. The Google DSC EU Ideathon is basically a mini version of the Solution Challenge, which I will talk about later. It's a 1 week long event supported by Google Devs Europe. It was full of events such as speaker sessions, brainstorming workshops for new ideas, and mentoring sessions, all held by very highly ranked Google developers. You can also make many new connections and possibly even come up with an idea for the solution challenge with a team. Next. GDSC Unideb also submitted a project. Our lead and co-lead at that time submitted a project idea which was aimed at mental health campaign of the United Nations. The project aimed to enhance mental health of people by tracking their emotions through facial emotion recognition and obtaining trends and patterns from the recorded data. This project won the honorable mention throughout Europe, and we could not be prouder of them. The Introduction to Firebase event was in collaboration with GDG Budapest and some other GDSCs in Hungary. We had a Google developer expert for Firebase as a guest speaker with over 5 years of experience in mobile development. And as you can tell by now, a lot of our events are usually held in hybrid form or completely online. The Hashcode team programming competition was organized by Google for students and professionals around the world. So basically, you pick a team and programming language, and Google provides the problem. However, this event is discontinued, but as I previously mentioned, the Google community in Hungary came together this year to organize a smaller version of this competition, which was a huge success, and there will be many more to come. Next, please. So, if you want more information about our previous and upcoming events, be sure to check out our Google Developers community page and stay tuned to the ending of this presentation to find out exactly how to access this page and become a part of the GDSC Unideb community. So, moving on from past events to what we can expect this year. As your leads, we are going to try our best to hold as many events as possible of all types: hackathons, projects, workshops, competitions. So on the next slide, you will see a timeline of some possible upcoming events you can look forward to. We've got the DevFest on campus in December, the EU Ideathon possibly from late December into early January. Going into February means we're close to the Solution Challenge, so we'll hold an info session for the Solution Challenge to give you extensive details on the challenge, how to join, deadlines, submission criteria, prices, and more. In March, we plan to hold some technical sessions with some guest speakers, along with our second annual coding competition with GDG Budapest. April will have probably a hands-on workshops, and I know we're all busy with midterms and exams by the end of April, so study jams might be a good idea. Just remember that all these are tentative for now, and of course, if there is any event, we will keep you informed. Please check out our GDSC community pages and all our social media platforms. Now for the Solution Challenge. So the dates for the Solution Challenge 2024 aren't out yet, so I will be talking about the 2023 challenge. The mission was to solve for one of the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals using only Google technology. The Solution Challenge was actually created in 2018 when former DSC, now GDSC, collaborated with the UN to inspire the student community to come together and build solutions for real-world problems. So, for 2023, the timeline looks something like this. In January, the challenge was announced with a kickoff event. Then the submissions opened and closed in March. The top 100 global winners were announced in May. And these winners will then get mentored with their final project submission, and the top 10 winners will be picked by mid-June. Then there's a demo day in August where all the 10 teams are allowed to showcase their project. Their solution and the top three winner solutions are picked. And there's amazing prizes for these, by the way, so you should definitely join the GDSC Unideb and have a go at this with your team. Thank you.
Okay, so now let's discuss the benefits of joining a GDSC club, especially GDSC Unideb. First, the hands-on experience that you can gain from the workshops we organize, the mentorship and career opportunities that you can access through having connections through Google Network or other developers in our club, access to various Google resources, connection to a global community, of course, and opportunities to attend the various events that we organize on campus or online. Okay, the hands-on experience. GDSC provides opportunities for students to work on real-world projects and develop their technical skills. So you get a set of problems and you try to find a solution for it or build a project where you use Google technologies, um, which in return improves your skills in using these technologies. GDSC offers workshops, trainings, and other learning opportunities to help students stay up to date with the latest technologies and best practices. The second one was the mentorship and career opportunities. GDSC members can get mentorship from Google developers and other industry experts. GDSC can help students prepare for careers in technology by providing them with the skills and experience they need to be successful in the industry. Now we move to the community connection. of course, as we said, that you're going to be connected with like-minded individuals, either in our local Unideb GDSC or through the Google network, who might have an overlapped interest with the technologies you're using and can provide support and encouragement. Access to Google resources. Of course, GDSC members have access to various Google resources, such as Google Cloud Platform, Google Developer Console, Google Maps Platform, Firebase, and more technologies and resources. Last but not least are the opportunities to attend events, as we organize a lot of events like Google Developers Day, Google I/O, and other events organized by Google Developer Club, uh, Google Developer Group, which you, of course, have access to attend. How can you join us? Okay, so you go to the Google Developers community page, or basically scan this QR code. You're gonna go to the University of Debrecen GDSC page, and you just need to hit on this join button down there. Okay, now we come to an end, so we're gonna end this session with a fun activity time. So you can just scan this QR code or go to menti.com and enter this code so that you can join the quiz. I'm gonna put the link in the chat in case anyone needed it. Yes. Okay. Here we go. Okay. So we're waiting for joiners. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we started receiving responses. Someone said profit, experience, connections. Okay. Uh, networks, tech knowledge, of course. Keep it going. Okay. Internship, fun events. Yeah, indeed. Okay, we still have 1 minute to receive more responses. Become the lead next year. Yeah, man, that's the spirit. Okay. Okay, core team part. Okay, we're still receiving responses. We still have 1 minute, or we can just move on, maybe. Yes. Okay, so we move to the second question, which is, what technologies are you interested in learning more about? We are waiting for responses. Okay, someone said Flutter, Firebase, Android. Interesting. Keep it coming. Oh, wow. Kotlin, please. Android development, Jetpack Compose. And someone put a sad crying face. Yeah. Okay. We can move on. Okay, so we have 5 questions now. Yeah, kind of a quiz. So let's go and wait for the players. One player is ready. Two players are ready. 3 players? 4 players. Wow. Okay. Shall we go? Okay. Let's go. Boom. Answer fast to get more points. What is the official language for Android development? You can pick your answer. Is it Java? Is it Kotlin? Is it C++? Is it Python? Who knows? 2. Pick Kotlin. Nice. Let's move and see the leaderboard. Well, Zoo takes the first place with Shami up his back. Oh, Christoph is here. Okay, let's go to the second question. What is the name of the Android development environment? Android SDK, Android Development Kit, Android Studio, Android Framework, who knows? Everyone has voted. Android Studio. 2 people are lucky. Let's see. Oh, interesting. Yeah, we have a competition. Yeah, Sammy gets back to the first place. Third question. Let's go. Also, you have to answer fast to get more points. What is Firebase used for? Backend as a service, database as a service, file storage service, all of the above. Everyone has voted. Well, 3 chose all of the above. Only 1 person chose backend as a service. Let's see. And Shami is still in the first place. Okay, let's get on with the fourth question. What is the name of Firebase's cloud messaging service? Firebase Cloud Service? Is it Firebase Messaging? Is it Firebase Notification? Is it Firebase FCM? Who knows? Everyone has voted. Let's see. Yeah, always 2 in the light, 2 in the dark. 2 has chosen Firebase FCM. Okay, and Zoo makes a comeback. Wolfmeister is also the second now, and Shami falls back to the third. Da-da-da. Answer fast to get more points. What is the minimum version of Android that the Android SDK supports? Is it Android 2.3? Is it 4.0? Is it 5.0? Is it 6.0? Who knows? Everyone has voted. 2.3, and let's see who answered this one. Okay, we have Zoo for the win. Congratulations, Zoo. Congratulations. Nice performance. Okay, and that was it for the quiz. We can go back to the presentation. Yeah, that's it, and we don't have anything else for today. Thank you so much for attending this info session. And yeah, for the core team, we will be having the interviews by this week, hopefully. Yeah, see you all in the interviews, and have a nice evening. Bye-bye.